Welcome to Resourceinn's Payroll module. In this video, I'll guide you how to manage tax rebates and tax structures using Resourceinn's Payroll module. Tax structure refers to the system or framework that determines how taxes are calculated and imposed on income. Salaried individuals are taxed based on income slabs. For example, income up to rupees. 600,000 is tax-free from rupees. 6 lakh to rupees. 12 lakh, 5% tax applies to the amount exceeding rupees 600,000. For income above 12 lakh to 22 lakh, 30,000 fixed tax amount applies, plus 15% tax applies to the amount exceeding. Now, let's see how this works in the Payroll module. From the dashboard, go to Payroll, then Settings, click on Tax. There are two tabs, Tax Structure and Tax Rebate. Click on Tax Structure. And click to create. Let's name it Tax Structure 2024 to 2025. Now let's add fiscal year start and ending date. For this, I'm selecting 1st July 2024 and end date 30th June 2025. Now let's add slabs according to our scenario. First slab minimum amount is 0 and maximum amount is 600,000. Fixed amount will be 0 because there is no fixed tax on this slab according to our scenario. And percentage also will be 0, which means there is no tax applied on this slab. It shows there is no tax applicable on people who earn per fiscal year from amount 0 to 600,000 as income. So let's add another slab. Here minimum amount is 6 lakh 1 and maximum amount is 12 lakh rupees. Fixed amount is 0 as per our scenario rules. And percentage will be 5 here. It shows that on slab 6 lakh 1 to 12 lakh rupees, which are fiscal year earnings of an employee, they have to pay tax of 5% on their earnings exceeding 600,000 rupees, for example. If an employee earns 750,000 rupees, they have to pay a tax of 5% on 150,000 rupees. Now let's move to next slab and add it. Minimum amount will be 12 lakh 1 and maximum amount will be 22 lakh. Now fixed amount will be 30,000 and percentage will be 15. It shows employees who earn 12 lakh 1 to 22 lakh. During the fiscal year, they have to pay an amount of 30,000 fixed plus 15% tax on exceeding amount. Let's assume another scenario where let's consider if employee earn more than 2,200,000 to infinity amount or an N amount. He or she will have to pay 70,000 as fixed amount tax and 35% tax on exceeding amount. Plus there will be a surcharge. If employee's fiscal year earning exceeds 10 million, he or she have to pay 10% tax on payable tax as a surcharge. So let's do this now. Minimum amount will be 2,200,001 and the maximum will be infinity means N or 9999 and so on. The fixed amount will be 70,000 plus tax percentage will be 35. Simple, right? Now check the surcharge box checked. There will be a field appear named surcharge here. On apply field, type 10 as we are going to apply tax of 10% now. From this drop down, select the percentage according to our scenario. You can choose flat. If the amount is fixed in your scenario, then value will be an amount. Then select condition from next drop down according to your scenario. Here, I'm picking greater than sign as per my scenario. Then tax amount will be 10 million rupees. System will automatically calculate it and automatically deduct on monthly basis or as per company's policy from his or her salary. Simply save it. Now let's move to our next step, that is tax rebate. A tax rebate is a refund or reduction in the amount of taxes owed, often provided as an incentive or benefit for specific actions, investments, or circumstances. For example, John earns 50,000 annually and owes 5,000 in taxes. The government offers a 1,000 tax rebate for installing solar panels. John spends 10,000 to install them and claims the rebate. His tax reduces from 5,000 to 4,000 for the current year. If the rebate exceeds his taxes, the unused portion can reduce taxes in the next fiscal year. Let's see how we can do it in the portal. Go to Tax Rebate tab and simply click Create. Here from Employee section, I'm selecting John. And now I'm assuming John applied for tax rebate of $1,000 as he installed solar panels on 6th November 2024. So in the date section, I'll select date 6th November 2024. And now in the attachment field, I can attach any documented evidence if he provided on his behalf just for the record. Here I'm leaving it. And next in the amount field, I'll type 1,000. The system will automatically give him rebate of 1,000 on his total taxes paid. Like if his tax amount is 10,000, the system will automatically reduce 1,000 from it and divide the remaining tax on fiscal year remaining months, or as per your company's policy. Simply save it. Now go to Payroll from Dashboard, and here go to Payrolls. Then edit the payroll by clicking on this period. Here from Tax Structure's drop-down menu, select your created tax structure to implement the tax structure and save it. And here you go. You have understanded tax rebate and tax structure properly in the payroll module of Resourceinn. Hope you find this guide helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay connected for the upcoming videos.